Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I'm scared. The car is going in.
Oh shoot, that car is in.
Stop.
Oh man.
The road can go under the water. No, you were hurting.
Oh, this car needs to go because it's starting to take me.
Stop.
Oh my gosh.
Go around the car now.
I can't go around the car. He got it, he got it, he got it. Go, 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 dude.
Stupid.
There's a ditch right here, though.
Yeah, he's about to go.
Why would that stupid car go through this?
Look at that bitch.
He needs to go because he's about to get me flooded. Wow.
I'm about to go in that boat.
Look how fast the water's moving. Oh my God.
Look at that car.
Car.
All the way
I
up.
know. I
Underwater.
thought the water would have done ended now. Cannot be that car that did that. They were going in. You
How
saw
are we gonna
that?
get back? Yeah, it's
This
rising.
is rising.
How are we going to get back?
Look at them. Wow.
Look how deep.
Man.
I think we just need to turn around.
That was scary because I felt my
Yeah, it was scary.